What's up, YouTube? So today we're gonna be helping out a friend. He's got his own YouTube page. We're gonna introduce him in a second. He's on his way over, and once he gets here, I'll introduce you guys. We're gonna be putting on a front lip on a GLI. So it's gonna be interesting YouTube video, so stay tuned. So here's our special guest.
Hey, what's up, fam?
You've been watching the videos, you know Mikey already. Mikey's got his own YouTube channel. What is it?
Check engine tube. Why? Because all Volkswagens always have check engine light, right?
I mean, you're always working on them. That's why we love them.
Yep. Hey,
Keep you busy.
let's show them what we got going on here inside the booster seat real quick. Right inside my Recaro seat right here, the booster seat, because I have children, you know. We got the nice lip that we were about to split on here, you know what I mean? Woo! Here we go. Simply Deets, Sleep of Legends. Here we go, baby.
All right, guys, this is Mikey's GLI. What year is it, Mikey?
2017, baby.
2017 GLI.
33,000 miles. What's up?
And it's a manual.
Oh, of course. Only way to go.
It's got some rotiforms on it.
Woo!
Because, you know, rotiform gang.
You see that? You see that?
Little preview.
Woo!
Here we go, guys. We're jacking it up. We're jacking it up. Look at that wheel gap. It's almost stock.
It's not funny. It's not funny. Don't listen to him. Anyway.
But here we go. One
start
step
this
closer.
game.
Hey, so if you watched any of Mikey's videos recently, he said while working on cars, you should wear gloves, especially when you're wearing using lights and stuff. So I'm gonna take his advice, and I got a whole box of gloves now. So I'm gonna throw on my gloves so that they don't get dirty.
Hey, stop making fun of me. You better put gloves on.
So, you know, reactions are worth 1,000 videos, so here we go.
Oh, that's not the right reaction. Sorry. Yes!
What do we think?
I think this is gonna look dope, dude. Hopefully.
He's gonna scrape into every single driveway now.
Yes! That's what we're looking for. That's the sound I live for, bro. And, so, anyway, so I am ready to mess this up. I hope I don't mess it up.
He's gonna drill into his bumper. He's scared.
Yeah.
Dun, dun, dun.
We'll see how this goes. But I'm gonna go ahead and do a Sharpie real quick, guys. Yeah? Or am I gonna just...
You ready?
Yeah, we
Excited?
ready, boy.
We're getting there?
We're almost there. Done with this shit though. I ain't doing this no more. I don't know what we're gonna figure out, but probably gonna use that tape because that one dot, that hole that's in there now, it's there forever. I'm scared.
Ever and ever.
I don't know. Hopefully I'll never sell her. So
We've been down that road. It's a sad road.
it is. But
Can't do it.
we should be done in like the next 20 mics, 20 minutes.
Guys, so gonna give you a little preview of Mikey's lip on before we put it on the ground. We got 2 screws left to put in, and then it's solid and up there good. And then we'll lower the car and show you how it looks from on the ground. But here's a little preview of it. Not bad, not bad. So stay tuned. We're gonna get you the video, little walk around. We'll talk to Mikey about what he's done to the car too, so you guys get the full picture of the GLI. Very last preview before we put it on the ground. All right. I know I said this a couple of times. We previewed it, but no tape, no nothing. Just right before we lower it.
We do that?
I think we did. Here we go. Ground. Damn. Like 10,000 times cleaner now. Look at that smile.
So dope.
These rotas. Oof.
They're dirty though. That's why we got these guns out here. You know what I mean?
All right, guys, so we're going to talk to Mikey real quick and get the lowdown on the GLI and what he's done to it. So here's Mikey, what we got done so far.
All right, so as you guys know, we already had the lip put on. That was number 1, right? The things I've done to the car is I have SolarWorks coilovers, and then I have rotiforms, of course, as you guys can tell, because that's all we do over here at this team. And so I got some rotiforms, RSCs, CTS turbo intake. That might change later on, but CTS turbo intake. I have a Ford short shifter. I also have stage 2 clutch. Yeah, stage 2 clutch. Stage 2 Unitronic. No more stages, but a turbo back exhaust from Unitronic. That's pretty much it, I think.
The P3 gauge.
Oh yeah, P3
The
gauge.
P3 gauge, man, that's the best mod you can ever get for your car.
Yep. So P3
Love it.
gauge also, you know, it's great when you have P3 because it's also is it part of Unitronic or they're together somehow? I don't know, but everything I always do is always Unitronic. And then I have
And they're also
BFI
code
ship knob.
deleters. They're code deleters if you didn't know that. You can
I
delete
did not know
codes.
that. I have this thing in there and I don't even know how to use it.
So,
Special guest.
Noah and Lucero.
Hey.
All right.
That's pretty much it, I think.
That's good.
Hey, local. Hey. Yeah. Thank you. I feel like a puzzle. It was like perfect.
Does the wife approve?
Yeah, it's really nice.
Oh, they grow up so fast.